guys, welcome back. This is Leena and I'm back with another video. So guys, being a beauty influencer, being a YouTuber, I get to try a lot of products and I keep swatching, I keep trying a lot of products, reading the label behind and also going through all the ingredients. But sometimes it really scares me. I mean, the amount of chemicals a lot of products use, it's not good for your skin. So recently I've been reading all the ingredients and I like to use paraben free, chemical free products. So in today's video I'm going to show you my top 3 chemical free, paraben free, no toxin products. So let's start. So guys, the first product is my shampoo. So guys, I've recently done keratin treatment, and because I had a lot of color and my hair had become really rough and then it was looking really unhealthy, so I wanted to try this keratin treatment, and it's been about 2 months and I already have naturally straight hair, just want a little bit of shine and it looks really nice. But once you've got done keratin treatment, you really need to take care of your hair and use a nice shampoo. And today I'm going to show you the shampoo that I've been using past 2 months, and it's this. It's the Keratin Therapy Shampoo, and this has no chemicals. I mean, it's sulphate free, it's salt free shampoo, and it's paraben free, and it's really good for your hair. Once you've done keratin treatment, make sure that you don't use a shampoo which has sulphate in it. And this is the one that I've been using for a while now, and it also has the conditioner. So this is the conditioner, Keratin Therapy conditioner. See, it says 0 sulphate, salt and paraben. So it's really good for your hair, and it makes my hair really soft and smooth and nice, especially really good for people who've done keratin treatment. So this is my first product. So guys, here's my second product, and it's a lip balm. It's by Super Smelly. This is what it looks like, and the packaging is so cute. That's why I just kept the lip balm in this box. It's really cute, super smelly. I just love the packaging, so cute, and I love pink. And so this is the 0 toxin free. I mean, it has no toxin at all. It's just strawberry smoothie lip balm, and I'm gonna swatch this and show you. It smells so good, guys. So it has a light pinkish tint to it. Smells so nice and so natural. So guys, this brand is really good. It has 0 toxin in it, and I'm a sucker for paraben free and chemical free products. And so I will tell you the ingredients of this lip balm. It has shea butter, it has strawberry flavor, it has carrot oil, mango butter, and it has vitamin E and olive oil. So all these amazing ingredients in this lip balm. And this is also, it has SPF 35 to 40, I guess, and it's good if you can wear it during the day, even at night. For winter, it's really good for winter, and smells amazing. It does not have any artificial color as well, so this product is really nice. I love it. It smells amazing. So before applying my lipstick also, I just applied this lip balm, and then I've applied my lipstick. So anyway, winter is coming now and you really need to hydrate your lips. So this lip balm is really nice. I love it, and it smells amazing too, and look at the packaging, so cute. So this was my second product. So moving on to my last product, my third product, which is toxin free, and this is again by the same brand, Super Smelly. And again, I love the packaging, and this is the face pack, and it's really important to take care of your skin. You need to apply a nice face pack, and I love this. It's the Glow Activated Charcoal Face Pack, And one thing about this brand, Super Smelly, is that it's India's first and only toxin-free certified product, and Australian certified toxin-free product. And it's really good. It has no parabens, no chemicals, and as I told you, it's toxin free. And anybody could use this, if you're 10, if you're 20, if you're 30, any age group. So I'm going to apply this product and show you. First, let me show you the packaging. As I told you, it's a really nice box, very nice. And okay, let's talk about the ingredient first. So it has aloe vera extract, multani mitti, it has activated charcoal, Dead Sea salt, olive oil, peach oil, apricot oil. Okay guys, a lot of amazing ingredients in this. And it's, as I told you, it has no synthetic or no fragrances, etc. And it's really nice. Let me show you. This smells good too. Okay, so I'm gonna open this and show you. This is what it looks like. It smells good. Smells a little bit like coffee. And so this face pack is really good because there's so much pollution and toxins outside, and you really need to apply a nice face pack so it could get rid of tan and all the pollution outside. It makes your skin really bad. So this face pack is really good, and it will open up your unclogged pores and make your skin really fresh and really nice. So I'm gonna apply this. So guys, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna apply it all over my face. It smells really nice and of like fresh ingredients. So the one good thing about this product is that anybody can use this, like even teenage girls, boys, you all can use this. It's really nice, and you don't have to worry about any chemicals or something will happen to your skin. And it's really good for like sensitive skin also. So guys, I've applied the face pack all over my face. I'm just gonna let it stay for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna nicely scrub it a little bit and wash it. And then you will see your skin become really nice and soft. And this is the Go Glow face pack. There's another one in this which they have. This is the Acne Warrior, and this is oil control face pack. So my face is a little bit dry, so I didn't want to use this, so I've used the Go Glow for a really nice glow. And so guys, where you can get these products from, you can get it from Nykaa and Amazon. I will put the links down below from where you can purchase these products. And if you have any more questions, anything, just let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching guys.